Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss one important topic, that is redox reactions. This is from plus 1 syllabus and one of the very important topic and related to all chapters, organic, inorganic, physical. In this chapter, first of all, we have to discuss oxidation number or oxidation state. See, oxidation number or oxidation state. What is oxidation number? We know atoms combine with another atom or element combine with another element to form molecules or compounds. We know while atoms combine with another atoms, there may be loss of electrons or gain of electrons, and the total number of electrons lost or gained in order to form a chemical bond with another atom is called oxidation number. What is oxidation number? The total number of electrons lost or gained by an atom in order to form chemical bond with another atom called oxidation number. Okay, for example, if an atom X lost 2 electrons to form chemical bond with another atom, then what is the oxidation state of X? Plus 2. Why plus 2? Because lost means gain positive charge. How many electrons it lost? 2 electrons, that's why 2, so plus 2. For suppose if an element Y gain 2 electrons in order to form a chemical bond, then what is the oxidation state of Y? Minus 2. Why minus 2? Gain means gets negative charge. How many electrons gain? 2 electrons, that's why 2, so minus 2, oxidation state. Okay, next, for example, an element A lost X electrons, then what is the oxidation state of A? Plus X. Lost means gains positive charge, X electrons lost, that's why X, plus X. Or suppose an element B gain X electrons, then what is the oxidation state of B? Minus X. Okay, so the total number of electrons lost or gained in order to form a chemical bond, okay, with another atom called oxidation number or oxidation state. Let us discuss how to find oxidation number. There are some rules. Rules for calculation oxidation number. Okay, first one, oxidation state of any element in an uncombined state is 0. Uncombined state, zero. Oxidation state of any element in an uncombined state, 0. Uncombined state means element not combined with any other element. So that means the element having same one type of atoms only. Okay. Example, hydrogen oxidation state in H2, 0. Oxygen oxidation state in O2, 0. Fluorine oxidation state in F2, 0. Phosphorus oxidation state in P4, 0. Sulfur oxidation state in S8, 0. All this in an uncombined state, 0. No other element, only one type of atoms, H2, O2, F2, P4, S8. Okay, in H2 hydrogen oxidation state, 0. In P4 phosphorus oxidation state, 0. In S8 sulfur oxidation state, 0. So oxidation state of any element in an uncombined state is 0. Okay, that is the first one. Second one, oxidation state of alkali metals in all their compounds equal to plus 1. Oxidation state of alkali metals in all their compounds plus 1. Okay, what are the alkali metals? Li, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. In all their compounds plus 1. For example, you can take NaH, sodium oxidation state plus 1. LiOH, lithium oxidation state plus 1. KCl, potassium oxidation state plus 1. In all their compounds plus 1. There is no any exception. If you find any compound that involve in these metal involve any alkali metal, oxidation state of that alkali metal plus 1. Individual state, uncombined state 0. There is no any exception. In uncombined, any element in uncombined state 0. In NaH, sodium oxidation state H plus 1. But now if you can take like this Na, what is the oxidation state of sodium? 0 here. Here 0, here plus 1. Why? This is uncombined state, this is combined state. That's why oxidation state of alkali metals in all their compounds plus 1. Okay, like alkaline earth metals, secondary group, alkaline earth metals plus 2. In all their compounds plus 2. Alkaline earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. These are alkaline earth metals. So oxidation state of alkaline earth metals in all their compounds plus 2. There is no an exception. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. For example, MgCl2. Here magnesium oxidation state plus 2. CaCO3. Here calcium oxidation state plus 2. Okay. So in all their compounds plus 2 alkaline earth metals. First one, any element in uncombined state 0. Oxidation state of alkali metals in all their compounds plus 1. Alkaline earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium in all their compounds plus 2. If you see any alkaline earth metal in any compound, then you simply write plus 2 oxidation state. Okay. Next one, rule number 4. Fluorine oxidation state in all their compounds minus 1. Fluorine oxidation state in all their compounds minus 1. There is no any exception. Okay, fluorine always show minus 1 oxidation state. Okay, for example, in NaF, fluorine oxidation state minus 1. Okay, in HF, fluorine oxidation state minus 1. Okay, next one, OF2, fluorine oxidation state minus 1. XeF4, fluorine oxidation state minus 1. In F2, fluorine oxidation state not minus 1, 0. Why? Uncombined state. This is uncombined state. Okay, that's why here fluorine oxidation state 0, not minus 1. Okay, so on all their compounds fluorine oxidation state minus 1. Fluorine always shows minus 1 oxidation state. Next one, fifth one. Generally hydrogen oxidation state plus 1. Generally hydrogen oxidation state plus 1, but there is an exception. Okay, exception in metal hydrides. Hydrogen oxidation state minus 1. In metal hydrides, hydrogen oxidation state minus 1. In otherwise, hydrogen oxidation state plus 1. But there is only one exception. In metal hydrides, hydrogen oxidation state minus 1. Example, H2O. Here hydrogen oxidation state plus 1 because this is not a metal hydride. H2SO4. Here also hydrogen oxidation state plus 1. Okay, next one, HNO3. This is also not metal hydride, so plus 1. H2S, this is also plus 1. Na2S, H2S, hydrogen oxidation state plus 1. For suppose if you can take LiH, lithium hydride. Here hydrogen oxidation state minus 1. Why? Because this is metal hydride, lithium hydride. Metal hydride means hydrogen directly connect to metal. Okay, so metal hydride minus 1 oxidation state. NaH, sodium hydride minus 1. BeH2, beryllium hydride minus 1. Calcium hydride minus 1, hydrolith. Calcium hydride also called hydrolith. calcium hydrate. Sometimes directly asking hydrolytic formula CaH2, calcium hydrate -1, oxidation state -1. Okay, next one, hydrolytic -1. Next one, MgH2, magnesium hydrate -1. Okay, so in metal hydrates, hydrogen oxidation state -1. Okay, now tell me, in NaOH, what is the oxidation state of hydrogen? -1 or +1? Tell me. Yes, +1. Why? Because this hydrogen not directly connected to metal, this hydrogen connected to oxygen. This is not metal hydride. NaH metal hydrate, but NaOH not metal hydrate, sodium hydroxide. Here +1, not -1, but in NaH -1. Okay, so generally hydrogen oxidation state +1, but in metal hydrates hydrogen oxidation state -1. This is one exception. Okay, next, rule number 6. Generally oxygen oxidation state -2, oxygen oxidation state -2, but there are some exceptions. First one, in peroxides means, what is peroxide ion? O2 2-, that means peroxy bond is there. This is peroxy bond. Okay, O bond O, peroxy bond. In peroxides, oxygen oxidation state -1. Generally oxygen oxidation state -2, but exception, in peroxides -1. Example, peroxides, example, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, BaO2, barium peroxide, Na2O2, sodium peroxide. These are examples. Peroxides, H2O2, BaO2, Na2O2. In peroxides, oxygen oxidation state -1. Generally oxygen oxidation state -2. Next, exception 2. Okay, in superoxides means O2-. This is superoxide. In superoxides, oxygen oxidation state -1/2. Oxygen oxidation state -1/2. Example, KO2, potassium superoxide, RbO2, rubidium superoxide. Okay, O2- is there, K plus O2-. In superoxides, oxygen oxidation state -1/2. Example, potassium superoxide, KO2, K plus O2-, superoxide -1/2. RbO2, rubidium superoxide, rubidium +1, O2-, oxygen oxidation state -1/2. Okay, next, third one, in difluorides, O2F2, oxygen oxidation state +1. OF2, oxygen oxidation state +2. In difluorides, oxygen oxidation state, in OTF2, oxygen oxidation state +1. In OF2, oxygen oxidation state +2 in difluorides. So these are the 3 exceptions. Okay, so generally oxygen oxidation state -2, but in peroxides, that is O2 2-, O bond O, peroxy bond means O bond O. In peroxides, oxygen oxidation state -1. Example, H2O2, BaO2, Na2O2. In superoxides, O2- ion is present. Oxygen oxidation state -1/2. Example, KO2, RbO2. In difluorides, O2F2, oxygen oxidation state +1. OF2, oxygen oxidation state +2. When oxygen can show positive oxidation state, when it react with fluorine only. When oxygen can show positive oxidation state, if it react with fluorine, then only it exhibit positive oxidation state. Why? Because fluorine is the only one element that has more electronegative than oxygen. Okay, after that oxygen more electronegative. That's why oxygen can show positive oxidation state when it react with fluorine only. Okay, so when react with fluorine it can show positive oxidation state. Otherwise generally normal oxides means H2O, O2 minus, oxygen oxidation state minus 2. In H2SO4 oxygen oxidation state minus 2. In HNO3 oxygen oxidation state minus 2. In NaOH oxygen oxidation state minus 2. In KMNO4 oxygen oxidation state minus 2. Generally oxygen oxidation state minus 2. If it is peroxide minus 1. If it is superoxide minus 1 by 2. If it is difluoride plus 1 plus 2. In O2F2 plus 1 and in OF2 plus 2. When it show positive oxidation state, if it react with fluorine, then it can show positive oxidation state. Okay, next 7. Rule number 7. See, generally oxidation state of ion is equal to its charge. For example, Na plus. What is the oxidation state of sodium? Here plus 1. Cr plus 3. What is the oxidation state of chromium? Plus 3. What is the oxidation state of Fe in Fe plus 2? Plus 2. Okay, so oxidation state of ion is equal to its charge. Okay, next one, last one. Sum of oxidation state of all elements in a neutral molecule is equal to 0. Sum of oxidation state of all elements in a neutral molecule is equal to 0. Example, KMnO4. This is a neutral molecule. In this, potassium oxidation state plus manganese oxidation state plus 4 into oxygen oxidation state equal to 0. 0, because this is a neutral molecule. Sum of oxidation state of all elements in a neutral molecule is equal to 0. Okay, for suppose if we can take any charged space, for example Cr2O7 2 minus, now equal to its charge, 2 into chromium oxidation state plus 7 into oxygen oxidation state minus 2. If it is a neutral molecule, sum of oxidation number of all elements is equal to 0. If it is a charged space, then sum of oxidation state of all elements is equal to its charge. Okay, so these are the rules for calculation oxidation number of elements. Okay, now let us discuss some examples. Okay, KMnO4. What is the oxidation state of manganese? Okay, let us discuss. We know potassium oxidation state plus 1. Why? Because that is alkali metal. Alkali metals always show plus 1 oxidation state. So potassium plus 1. Manganese, we have to find manganese plus 4 into, here oxygen oxidation state minus 2, because this is not a peroxide and not a superoxide and not a difluoride. That's why remaining, those are the exceptions. Remaining cases oxygen oxidation state minus 2, and this is a neutral molecule, that's why 0. Now manganese, minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 equal to 0, and manganese equal to plus 7. So in this compound manganese oxidation state plus 7. Okay, next one, K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7. Here potassium 2 into plus 1. Chromium, we have to find chromium oxidation state, 2 into chromium. Why 2 into chromium? 2 chromiums are there, that's why 2 into chromium plus 7 into oxygen oxidation state minus 2 is equal to 0. Why 0? This is a neutral molecule. Now 2Cr minus 14 plus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. Then chromium equal to plus 2 plus 12 by 2, that is equal to plus 6. So in this chromium oxidation state plus 6 oxidation state. Okay, now for example MnO4 2 minus, this is manganate ion. Sometimes not given ions directly, sometimes given names directly. Then you must learn formulas of those ions. Manganate ion. What is the oxidation state of manganese in manganate ion. Okay, manganese Mn plus 4 into oxygen oxidation state -2. This is a charged species, that's why equal to charge -2. Then manganese here -8 right side +8 and -2, that is equal to +6. Here manganese oxidation state +6. Next one CrO4 2- chromate ion. Chromium oxidation state. Okay, Cr plus 4 into -2 equal to -2. Then chromium here +6 -8, send right side +8 -2 +6. Chromium oxidation state +6 in chromate ion. In dichromate ion Cr2O7 2-. Dichromate ion. Okay, 2 chromiums 2 Cr plus 7 into oxygen -2 is equal to -2. So then 2 Cr -14 right side +14 and -2 +12. Then that implies Cr is equal to +6. So this is the oxidation state of chromium +6 Cr2O7 2-. Okay, here this one same. So this is neutral molecule, here charged space. This is potassium dichromate. And what is the name of this one? Potassium permanganate. What is permanganate ion? MnO4-. Permanganate ion formula MnO4-. Okay, next one. See some more examples. NH3, nitrogen. You have to find nitrogen oxidation state. Nitrogen, we know hydrogen oxidation state +1. In metal hydrides only -1, otherwise hydrogen oxidation state +1. So that is equal to 0. Nitrogen -3. Ammonia. Next one N2H4 hydrazine. Nitrogen oxidation state 2 nitrogens 2N plus 4 into hydrogen oxidation state +1. This is a neutral molecule, that's why 0. Then 2 nitrogen -4 and nitrogen -2. Oxidation state -2. Okay, next one N3H hydrozoic acid. Find nitrogen oxidation state. Okay, nitrogen 3 nitrogens plus hydrogen oxidation state +1 is equal to 0. Then nitrogen oxidation state -1/3. So oxidation state may be fraction also, positive, negative, fraction or 0. Okay, see, so nitrogen oxidation state -1/3. Correct. Next one C6H12O6 carbon oxidation state. C6H12O6, how many carbons? 6 carbons plus 12 hydrogens. Hydrogen oxidation state +1 plus 6 into oxygen oxidation state -2 is equal to 0. Okay, now 6 carbons plus 12 and -12, 0. Plus 12 -12 cancel, 0. Then carbon oxidation state 0. So in this one carbon oxidation state 0. In C6H12O6 glucose, carbon oxidation state 0. So oxidation number may be 0, fraction, negative or positive value. Okay, next one. Like this we are calculating oxidation number and also some more examples. You find oxygen oxidation state in OF2. Okay, we know fluorine always show -1 oxidation state. So oxygen plus 2 into fluorine -1. This is a neutral molecule, that's why 0. So oxygen +2 -2 right side +2. So here oxygen oxidation state +2. Already we discussed, this is exception. Generally oxygen oxidation state -2, but in difluorides it can show +1 and +2. In OF2 +2, in O2F2 2 oxygens plus 1 fluorine minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2O is minus 2 right side plus 2 and oxygen plus 1. In O2F2 plus 2, in OF2 plus 1. Generally minus 2, but in difluorides it can show plus 1 and plus 2. In OF2 plus 2, in O2F2 plus 1. Okay, so these are the some examples. I think you got it how to calculate at oxidation number. Okay,